Hey guys, have you been looking for that professional laser leveler? Well, let's go ahead and unbox this, show you guys everything you get, and see what you think afterwards. Okay, I must say this is actually pretty awesome. It comes in this hard protective case. I will say that this is one of the first times that a company has actually taken this much pride with their product. So push to lock, pull to unlock. All right. Let's let's see it. Oh, okay, there's a tab. Okay, guys, so there's a tab right under here. You pull that up to unlock, and you push it to lock it in place. So don't just grab this first little lip right here, or it's gonna stay locked. You push underneath it. Okay, that's nice. That's a good extra feature. Wow. So you got a remote, charging cable, battery charger. Let's see. Line everything up. You got your manual. You got your... Okay, so yeah, you got your charging plug. So you can plug this into your wall outlet. Not sure exactly where they all go, but... Leveler. Okay, we don't want to force that. So you got your target, laser target. Safety goggles. It looks like you got another battery inside here as well as your mounting unit. The unit itself. So this is it. Lock and unlock. Mounting for a tripod if you want to mount it on. You can either mount it on here, what they provide you with, or your own tripod. Looks like you got your power cable port inside here. Let's open it up just to double check for you guys. Yes, so that's where you're going to charge it. Give it some power. Battery goes inside here. So far, a nice looking unit. Let's see. If you press and hold. Let's go ahead and drop that battery in here. Okay, so for those wondering, you can plug this in and charge it while it's on. So you just put in your charging cable and it will start charging. Now, when it's not level, it will beep. It's pretty awesome. When you get it leveled off, the remote works. So let's take a look here. You can see all the lines in the setup. So directly go the whole way. I know this goes 360 degrees out, and that's just being blocked by my body. But at all directions, you can adjust it so we can just have squared off box. Got your regular lines. I mean, I can't. This thing is amazing. Like, this is the middle of the day, and you guys can easily see that laser. Like, in person, you can see it way more than what I could show you. I mean, look over here, guys. You can see the laser. Perfect day. Super bright in here. Easily see it. You can adjust it. This is all with the remote. Of course, you can turn it off as well. And again, when it's uneven, it lets you know. Once it's level, it stops. And of course you have your modes on here as well. So you can make it dim or brighter. It's kind of, oh, it's a little tough to see. But you can make the line dim or brighter. Press and hold. And it seems like if you put this to the lock position, it turns it off. So the unlock, it's ready to go. Push it to the lock. It turns it off. Overall, very impressed. You guys have to see this in person, how bright it is.